Are you looking for the perfect margarita for a hot day? Well, we are making a delicious frozen berry margarita. This margarita is packed full of flavor and super easy to make, so let's make it. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our margarita, I have my blender, and to that I'm going to add in 4 cups of mixed berries. We have a lot of berries going in today. Okay. Next, I'm going to add in the juice of 2 limes. I just juiced these limes. This is also about half a cup of lime juice, along with the juice of 1 orange, and to add a little sweetness, I like using agave. You can always use simple syrup if you prefer that, but I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of agave. And next we have our booze, the best part. I'm using 1 cup of tequila, so we have quite a lot of tequila going in. So this is 8 ounces. This is a 2-ounce shot glass, by the way. Oh no. 2, 3, 4. And I'm also adding in half a cup of triple sec, or you can use Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is just a lot more expensive, so I do like using triple sec and then doing a floater of the Grand Marnier. So we're gonna add in 4 ounces of our triple sec. Smells so good. Okay, and now I'm going to blend this together. I have 2 cups of ice, which I'm going to add in, but I like to give this a quick blend because I don't have too much room in my blender right now. Okay, now I'm going to add in my ice because I like it to be really icy. If you're having a frozen margarita, you want it to be really cold. Okay, now we can blend this together. And here we have our frozen margarita. It looks so good and it smells amazing. And now I like to sugar salter in my glass. So here I have a little mixture. I have half sugar, half salt, and then I also add in the zest of 1 lime. And I just give it a stir. And then I run a piece of lime around my margarita glass. And as you can see, we have a lot of margarita here. It's not just for me. I'm actually bringing this to a pool party later today. So now we can just dip our glass into our sugar salt mixture. Okay, here we go. I feel like one of the best parts of a margarita is that like sugar salt rim. I think it's so good. And also I do want to mention, if you don't like seeds in your margarita, you can always strain this to get rid of the seeds, but personally I don't mind it. And now, here we have our margarita. This looks so good. This is honestly one of my favorite margaritas. There's always the question that people ask of what type of margarita is better. Is it on the rocks or frozen? I have to say I'm a frozen fan, especially on a hot day like today. This looks so good and refreshing. So let's taste it. That is so yummy. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Oh my goodness. My Grand Marnier floater, we can't forget that. I was like, that's really good, but it's missing something. Now I know. Now let's taste it. That is so good. It's so fruity and so flavorful and perfectly boozy. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more homemade margarita recipes, there will be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers! Oh, that's good. That's strong. Man, that's a hit. I got a full sip of the Grand Marnier.